Hello YouTubers. I picked up a covered wagon and I'm redoing it. I'm making this into a table for a big a big deck outside or even inside the big kitchen that someone may have. And also it will sit 8 people. As you can see, I've redone a whole lot underneath. It was red. Everything was red. I sanded it down, varnished it, and now I'm going to try to make 8 chairs. This is the tailgate. I will have it down as part of the table, just about like so there, about like that. And then I will have put some lights up underneath in here somehow. I'm not sure what I'm going to use yet. So just wanted to show you what I'm doing here. And I enjoy my work. I'm retired 52. I'm 55 now, so I picked this up and this kind of hobby, and I build things, a lot of different things. We'll get into that later. All right, thank you very much.